If you want to attention on social media without showing your face, without recording videos and without expensive ads, then this video is important for you. Today I am reviewing a new AI tool called streetspeakai, and honestly this is the one of the most interesting content tool I have seen this year. We will discuss about free bonuses for my side end of this video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I reviewed a new AI tool and online income opportunity honestly, so you can decide what is worth your time and money. Today product is launched with a live webinar and demo. I will explain exactly what does, how people are using and whatever it makes sense of you. streetspeakai is an AI software that turn one keyword into real style street interview videos in under 60 seconds. These look like a raw street conversations. This kind you see in viral TikTok, Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. But everyone is powered by AI. No camera, no microphone, no actors, no editing. You enter a keyword and the system generates engaging interview style content automatically. Street interviews are work because they feel real, unfiltered and emotional. People stop scrolling because they want to hear what someone is about to say. Big creators already using the format to build a massive followers and drive free traffic, sell products and services. This style works in business and money niches and motivation and life advices, humor and entertainment, e-commerce and brand awareness. And the best part is streetspeakai lets beginners do this without going outside. Let me quickly share real example of this content working. The venture room uses raw interview clips and has millions of views across the platform. They monetize with memberships, apps and interviews. And Granny Spills, an AI character, gained millions of followers by asking bold questions that speak debate and emotion. Artificial idiots turn funny interview style videos into over 65 million YouTube views and sell t-shirts directly inside the content. Common factor: conversation based content builds trust faster than ads. How Start Speak AI make it easy? Start Speak AI remove the all of the hard parts. No script writing, no filming, no editing, no personal branding. You pick a niche, a type, a keyword and the AI generates the content. This is perfect for affiliate marketers, YouTubers, Instagram and TikTok creators, e-commerce sellers, coaches and freelancers. They are hosting a live webinar on December 29th at 9 a.m. as per standard EST. Inside the webinar, live demo of Street Speak AI, step-by-step content strategy and monetization methods, special launch pricing, prices worth $1,000. It is free to register, but seats are limited. If you want to viral style content without showing your face, without tech headaches and with real monetization potential, the Street Speak AI is worth checking out. I have left the official link below. Register for the free webinar and see the demo yourself. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video. If you purchase from my link in description, I am going to provide you a free bonus introduction to artificial intelligence. Contact on Instagram, send me the screenshot of the purchase. I will send you a email.